Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning one of the most important basics in statistics, that is probability. I will also explain event, sample space and a very basic example of tossing a coin. So let's begin. What is probability? So probability simply means how likely something is to happen, or what is the chance of happening an event. So whenever we do any random experiment like tossing a coin or rolling a dice or picking a ball from a bag, we don't know what will happen, right? We don't know beforehand that what will be the outcome of that event. So that is why these types of events are called the random event or random experiment. But probability helps us measure the chance of each possible outcome. The probability of any event always lies between 0 to 1. So, always the probability of any event lies between this range. If the probability of something is 0, that means probability 0 indicates that the event is impossible. Event is impossible. Probability 1 means the event will certainly occur, or event is sure event. And if it's between 0 to 1, then the event may or may not happen. So probability, if probability lies between 0 to 1, then the event may or may not occur. So these are the interpretation of the numerical values of probability. Now the next concept is what is sample space. So sample space means the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. So if we do an experiment, for example, we are tossing a coin. So if we toss a coin, then what are the outcomes? The outcomes here are head or tail. Either we will get a head or a tail. So the set of all possible outcome is called a sample space. Sample space is usually denoted by the letter S. And also another example we can give, if we roll a die, then what are the all possible outcomes? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the all possible outcomes. So the set of all possible outcomes is the sample space. And the next concept is what is an event. So, an event is what we are interested in. Now, if we consider the example of tossing a coin and we are interested in getting a head, then the event is getting a head, getting a head after tossing a coin. So, an event is what we are interested in. And the next thing we have to learn is how to calculate probability numerically. So the mathematical formula of probability is, in the numerator we have to write total number of favorable outcome, total number of favorable outcomes, and in the denominator we will have total number of all possible outcomes. So this is the mathematical formula of calculating probability. Now, in our example, as I have already mentioned, that we have considered tossing a coin, and the event we have defined that getting a head after tossing a coin. So if we want to find the probability of E, that is probability of getting a head after tossing a coin, then total number of favorable outcomes. So the here our favorable outcome is head. So in the how many heads are there in the sample space? Only one head is there, so we have to write 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator we have to write total number of all possible outcomes. So total number of all possible outcomes means the total number of outcomes in the sample space. So in this sample space we have only two outcomes, so we have to write 2 here. So zero point 0.5 or 1 by 2 is the probability of getting a head if we toss a coin. So this is how we have to calculate probability.